Hello, my dear students. Today is a very important and interesting chapter which we are going to understand. Compare a program. You must be thinking, what is the meaning of this heading? That means you must have watched our annual day very keenly from the starting. Yes, so how the comparer or the one who introduces the guest, the dance performances, yes, he is the comparer. How he does all the work properly and arranges the things, and what all other children do during the function. Correct? So this chapter is related to that. But here it is not about the annual day, but it is about the art festival, inauguration of the art festival. That means they are introducing something new, getting ready for the program. Now here the students are only comparing, they are anchoring. Good morning, friends. It's a pleasure for me to welcome you all to this festive occasion. So, the student is saying he is welcoming all the audience. Please take your seats. May I request you to keep your mobile switched off or on silent mode? Let us ring into the merry mood of youthful creative expressions and forget our preoccupations and ringtones for the time being. So here the anchor is saying or requesting to keep the mobile phones in silent mode. Why? Because everybody will be engrossed in watching what the students are doing. Yes, and suddenly mobile will ring, 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 and all the attention goes to that person who is going to attend the phone. So there is a disturbance. Therefore, the anchor is requesting everybody to keep their mobile phones switched off and forget everything and just enjoy the current time. Now, arrival of the dignitaries. Now, chief guest, yes, important public have come. I am happy to announce that the dignitaries have arrived. I request you all to be seated. I request our head girl, Miss Shubhada Murarka, to escort the dignitaries to the stage. To what is the girl or boy saying? Yes, he is saying that he is happy to say that the dignitaries have come, the guests have come, and now the head girl will guide them towards the dais. मतलब वो बता के देगी, हाँ आइए यहाँ से आके डायस में आइए, स्टेज पे आइए. Commencement of the program. Now the program is going to start. Honorable chief guest of today's function and an artist of great renown, Shri Charudatta Diwan, President of Balanand Education Society, Shri Avadhut Pathak, our Principal Dr. Ajinkya Parkhi, Vice Principal Dr. Shaila Singh, all our invited guests, parents, teachers and my dear friends. On behalf of Balanand Vidyalaya, I extend a hearty welcome to you all. So now the anchor is welcoming everybody. He is introducing the guest. Then he told about the principal, then vice principal, and he is welcoming all the teachers and parents. Which school? Balanand Vidyalaya. We have gathered here for the inauguration of our school art festival. So he is saying that yes, we all have come together for introduction of our school annual festival, or to begin with the festival. So whenever there is a starting of some auspicious thing, some good thing, what we do? We pray God. So here we light the lamp. Let us begin this auspicious occasion with something symbolic of knowledge and learning. So he is saying, the comparer, the anchor is saying that yes, before starting the program, let us light the lamp. And for this I would like to request all the honorable members on the dais to kindly light the traditional lamp and offer prayers. So what is he saying? let us start the program, but before starting the program, let us light the lamp and offer our prayers. Now he's saying about the lamp. He's something saying unique. He's saying something about the lamp. Friends, look at the amazing quality of this lamp. When lit, not only does it carry the tremendous potential to break the darkness of the night, but also leaves way for 1,000 other lamps to be lit from its flames. कितना अच्छा बोला है, देखो क्या बोल रहा है वो. ये जो दिया है वो जब जलता है तो वो ना कि सिर्फ सब जगह लाइट देता है, सिर्फ अंधेरों को ब्रेक करता है, बट वो एक लैम्प से ऐसे बहुत सारे लैम्प्स हम जला सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे उसने लैम्प एंड नॉलेज को एक जैसा बताया है. अगर मैं पढ़ी लिखी हो गई तो मेरा लाइफ एकदम ब्राइट हो गया, करेक्ट. एंड सिमिलरली मैं बहुत सारे बाकी लोगों को भी पढ़ा सकती हूँ तो उनका भी लाइफ ब्राइट हो जाएगा. सेम एज द लैम्प. Likened to the lamp is knowledge. Knowledge too spreads light. It neither divides nor subtracts. It only adds and multiplies. तो वो क्या बोल रहा है, नॉलेज कम या ज़्यादा कम होता नहीं है, बढ़ता नहीं है, बट सिर्फ ऐड होते रहता है एंड मल्टीप्लाई होता रहता है. मैंने जितनों को सिखाया उन लोग और सीखेंगे, उन लोग दूसरों को सिखाएंगे. यस, सो इट इज़ लाइक अ लैम्प. Ms. Anagha Bhatia of Standard 7th and her group will now sing the school song. So जैसे वो लैम्प लाइट कर रहे हैं तो साइमल्टेनियसली यहाँ पे लड़कियाँ गाना गा रही हैं. चिल्ड्रन, आपको कुछ याद आ रहा है कैसे हम लोग एनुअल डे सेलिब्रेट करते थे? राइट, वैसे. वेलकम एंड इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द गेस्ट. अभी इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द गेस्ट, वो चीफ गेस्ट कौन है, क्या करते हैं, उनके बारे में बताना. अतिथि देवो भव, हम लोग ने सुना रहेगा, अतिथि देवो भव. हमारे जो गेस्ट है वो भगवान जैसे हैं. आवर इंडियन कल्चर रिगार्ड्स गेस्ट एज गॉड्स. लेट अस वेलकम एंड ऑनर आवर डिस्टिंग्विश्ड गेस्ट. जो भी फेमस गेस्ट आए हैं हमारे लिए खास सक्सेसफुल गेस्ट, उनका हम लोग वेलकम करेंगे और उनको ऑनर करेंगे. इट इज़ इंडीड आवर प्राउड प्रिविलेज टू हैव अमिड्स्ट अस a very eminent personality from the field of art and culture, renowned artist, a painter of international repute, and proud recipient of many prestigious awards, president of Color Engine Academy, श्री चारुदत्ता दीवान. तो ये चारुदत्ता दीवान कौन है? एकदम रिनाउंड फेमस आर्टिस्ट है, पेंटर है, बहुत सारा अवार्ड मिला है, एंड ही इज़ द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कलर Ranjan Academy. Kala Ranjan Academy. Kala means art. I would request our principal to welcome him by offering a token of our love and appreciation, books. So here they are giving books instead of bouquet. Normally we give bouquet, but here they are giving books. Why books? 2 volumes of cherished lives of great artists. So this is the name of the book. We are offering books because flowers might perish, but books can stay forever. क्या बोल रहा है एंकर? हम लोग बुक्स दे रहे हैं क्योंकि बुके क्या है, सड़ जाएगा और वो फेंका जाएगा, उसका कुछ यूज़ नहीं है. बट बुक्स देंगे तो क्या है, वो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहेगा. थैंक यू सर. तो वो हो गया उनका इंट्रोडक्शन, होके वो बैठ गए. I would now request the convener of this art festival, our art teacher, respected Ms. Shilpa Sanghani, to welcome the beacon of our institution. अभी किसको ऑनर करना है, सत्कार करना है? मिस शिल्पा संघानी, बीकन ऑफ आवर इंस्टीट्यूशन, जो हेड है, जो इंस्पिरेशन है, उनको ऑनर करेंगे. द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ बालानंद एकेडमी मिस्टर अवधूत पाठक. सो वो आर्ट टीचर प्रेसिडेंट को ऑनर करेंगे. आई वुड नाउ रिक्वेस्ट आवर स्कूल कैप्टन एंड कल्चरल इंचार्ज मिस शुभदा मुरारका टू वेलकम आवर एवर इंस्पायरिंग डायनामिक प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर अजिंक्य पारखी सर. सो अभी अजिंक्य पारखी सर को ऑनर करेंगे. Our enthusiastic vice principal will be welcomed by Miss Anagha Bhatia. तो यहाँ पे अभी क्या चल रहा है? They are just honoring, yes, giving books, honor कर रहे हैं. ये सब हो गया. And then end में एंकर क्या बोल रहा है? Thank you, dear Anagha. So ये हो गया हमारा introduction of the guest. अभी speech, introductory speech, अभी जिसके बारे में है ये आर्ट फेस्टिवल, उसके बारे में. To appraise you about the art festival, I request the principal, respected Dr. Ajinkya Parkhi, to deliver his introductory speech. Introduction देना है, बता के देना है ये बुक किसके बारे में है. So किसको बुला रहे हैं? प्रिंसिपल अजिंक्य पारखी सर. Then बुक रिलीज़ हो रहा है. वहाँ पे उन्होंने वो जो आर्ट बुक है, जो बच्चों ने ड्राइंग्स बनाए हैं, उस सब का एक बुक बनाया है और वो बुक उस दिन उन लोग ओपन करने वाले, रिलीज़ करने वाले. फ्रेंड्स, वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड हियर अ वॉल्यूम comprising photographs of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art which are displayed today in the auditorium. They are the artistic and skillful contributions from our students. तो बच्चों ने ये सब बना के लिया है. I request the chief guest to release this special book on this occasion and formally inaugurate the art festival. चीफ गेस्ट को बोल रहे हैं कि ये बुक को रिलीज़ करो, मतलब ओपन करो. कैसे किया रहेगा ओपन? रिबन बांधा रहेगा बुक को, तो रिबन निकाल के वो बुक ओपन करेंगे. थैंक यू सर, उन्होंने रिबन ओपन कर दिया तो इसने थैंक यू बोल दिया. नेक्स्ट, आई नो दिस has aroused curiosity in you to see the exhibition. After this program, you can take that pleasure. So वो बुक देख के दूर से सबको लग रहा है वाह क्या रहेगा ये बुक में, what must be there so special in this book. So एंकर बोल रहा है प्रोग्राम होने के बाद आप जाके देख सकते हैं. Now starts the cultural program. Cultural program normally comprises of dance, singing, then drama. So here I know you all are eagerly waiting to listen to the gems of music from our school. Heere Moti Jwarat. Yes, precious stones, Ratnam. We now invite this talented band of musicians to display their talent. Now band of musicians, a group of musicians. So band is which type of noun? Collective noun, right. We proudly present the Tal Kacheri. So now they are going to do a music concert. Sahil of 10th A will give a vocal rendition, means he is going to sing, and at the same piece will be demonstrated on different instruments, and उसके गाने को जैसे ही दूसरे दूसरे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में बजाया जाएगा. Let's enjoy the Tal Kacheri. Varsha on mridangam. Mridangam is also one instrument, musical instrument. Vivek on dholak, Zubin on tabla, and Govind on ghatam. Ghatam is a pot, so people use that pot as the instrument. Let us have a big round of applause for the excellent demonstration. So उनका प्रोग्राम हो गया और सब लोगों को ये बोल रहा है ताली बजाओ, कितना सुंदर किया उन्होंने. Different states. Now this is second cultural program. Different states display their unique identity through the respective culture. Standard 7th C will now give a beautiful presentation of the famous Koli dance from Maharashtra. Now the second performance was a Koli dance. Then it was over. Then at the end he said, what a wonderful presentation. Dance के बाद closure उसने बताया कि कितना अच्छा था. Now a light comedy play will be presented by 9th C. I would like to request standard 9th artists to perform their play The Boys Come Home by A.A. Milne. तो उन्होंने एक कॉमेडी एक्ट किया. वो होने के बाद एंडिंग में कैसे बोला? That was indeed a fantastic performance. So first he'll introduce the event, he'll introduce the program about the dance program or singing program, and after that he will say, oh wow, it was good. He'll appreciate. Next comes after cultural program is prize distribution. You are all eagerly waiting for the prize distribution. There are butterflies in your stomachs. Of course, if you are not knowing who the winner is, you all will be very much curious. Oh, कौन है किसका नाम आएगा? मेरा नाम तो नहीं आएगा, मेरा नाम भी आना चाहिए. Yes, we must be thinking that. You will soon be relieved of your anxiety. Everyone is unique in his or her potential. All are talented, yes, but some do perform better and their talent needs to be appreciated. सब एक जैसे ही हैं, सब होशियार हैं, बट जो लोग बेस्ट कर रहे हैं उनको हम लोग को अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए, इसीलिए हम लोग उनको प्राइज़ दे रहे हैं. I would now invite the chief guest to declare the prize winners and give away the prizes for the different categories of art. So उन्होंने दे दिया सब prizes and then he's saying thank you sir. Next the chief guest will say something. Address by the chief guest. Now chief guest will come and he will say some few lines to the students, to the audience. I would now request our illustrious chief guest to address the audience, to say something to the students. Then after he finishes his speech, he is saying, thank you sir, your speech has given us wonderful insights on various aspects of art and culture. बहुत सारा हमको ज्ञान मिला. We are immensely grateful to you for your invaluable words of enlightenment. आपने इतना अच्छे से बोला कि हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा. Next, last but not the least, vote of thanks. That is, we are coming towards the end of the program. Before we draw the curtain, before we say goodbye, I take the opportunity to thank all those who have lent a helping hand to make this art festival meaningful, and for the formal vote of thanks, I invite the convener of this program, जिसने ये start किया, our art teacher Miss Shilpa Sanghani. Vote of thanks मतलब चलो okay, thank you so much, you all came and made our program a huge success. Yes, so उसके लिए इधर किसको बुलाया है? Miss Shilpa Sanghani, and she will say few words. Yes children, in this way we are going to compare a program. So if at all when we meet, yes, so we can draw a drama based on this. Yes children. See, so first what will come?